Shalom Aleichem, welcome back. In this video we're going to ask a question, why the snake was punished. The snake make Adam and Eve sin, eat from the fruit, and he was punished. But according to the Bible, every beast, animal, the birds, the fish, everybody was created for a purpose. Take the camel was purpose, maybe one of the purpose, to take people over the desert. It doesn't need much water. You can go a long way without drinking. The horse have his purpose, to make people ride, to also maybe carry a wagon, same with the donkey. Every beast, every animal have a purpose. What does the snake represent in our story over here? Because we said many times that the Bible is not a history book. So what does it represent over here? So according to the story, we see that it represents evil, the evil inclination. That he came in and talked to Eve, and he said, even God said to do this and not to do this and don't eat, but you can do it, So according to the commentaries of Jewish scholars, maybe others, the Bible is not a history book, like we said many times, but it's come to teach us something. It's how to fight the evil inclination that is, according to many, like I said, commentaries, is the snake is something that is an imaginary power of desire that live inside the person's soul, inside the person's mind. So there is the snake in the story, and there is the snake in spirituality that live inside the person, in his soul, in his mind. That's the power of desire, the power of to do things that he wants. And that's what he came to Eve and he said, that's what you want to do, you want to eat. So why Hashem punished him if he created him to be the best in his job, to instigate people to do evil? And if he already very good in his job, and why Hashem didn't cut his tongue, was really he created for this. So why he cut his tongue, so he cannot seduce people and instigate people anymore, because that's his job. He's good in his job, so that's why you punish him. That's the purpose. So in Hebrew, the raglaim that Hashem cut, the raglaim is also habits. Habits is raglaim. Habits of a person is raglaim. I'm going to continue in the next video.